Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are, whenever you are. Thanks you for watching my videos. This video is going to show you how to use Pandora's wallet using the little lady strategy. And it also assumes that basically you've connected this system to the exchanges, and also you know how to set this up. You've gone through the process of setting up the Pandora's wallet system. So once that's done, right, all you have to do, right, is bring up the Pandora's wallet. And one of the things you need to know, right, that before we get into that, is that if an exchange does not have your currency, right, you will not see it in the list. So if you click on that currency and you select the exchange and you don't see it, that means it's either been delisted or it's no longer in that exchange. So that's very important to remember. And so if you want to buy a cryptocurrency or sell, right, you click on the currency that you want to buy it in. So if you don't want to buy it in Bitcoin, you want to do it in Ethereum, since Ethereum is one of those good coins to buy stuff in. You could also do that, and you can see what's available to purchase with your Ethereum. All right, so we're gonna buy some coins. Show you how to buy coins with Pandora's wallet. And one of the things you need to know, right, is that when you want to buy, right, you could always set the price at a lower price. So for example, let's just take a look at BlockNet on exchange on the let's go example BlockNet. It's block.btc, right? First, to see what price action we have, and you can see that this coin is pretty hated, and it's like back to where it actually started. So buying down here is pretty good price. Buying even lower is probably better, but of course, hey, where we are right now is pretty decent. You can see there was like a wick down there. This was a rage quit. Somebody was like definitely wanted to get out of this thing really fast, and so they did, and they pushed the price down, and the price came right back up. I haven't done any technical analysis on this, but I'm going to be buying this anyways. So with that said, let's go and pick some up. But before we pick some up, right, I want to show you something. If you want to purchase this asset and you say, hey, you know what, I'm not going to buy it at the current price because I'm a cheapskate. I want it at 11,000 sats, not 11,900 sats. You could do so, and so you could set the price that you want to buy it at 11,000 sats. And you can set the stop price, which is where Pandora's wallet will actually send the coins to the exchange for you to trade it, for you to buy it at 11,000 sats. Now, of course, once the price gets to 11,000 sats, it will buy it at the price of 11,000 sats. But at the market price, and let's just say the market goes down to 11,000 sats and then comes back up, right? It will only set the order to be buying at 11,000 sats. So what you could do is say, you know what, because the market might just bounce, I'm just going to buy it at 11,400 just in case the market bounces, and I just want to make sure that I get it. So what will happen is at 11,000 sats, when the price gets there, it will go and send the coins to the exchange. And then the Bitcoins, right, for example, and I'm going to put in how much Bitcoins I want. I'm going to put in 0.05, and it will purchase it at that price. So I'm gonna hit the exchange, so 0.05, right, and you can see now it's placed the order. Now it's not going to do anything, of course, until that happens. And so what I could do is say, you know what, I'm going to cancel this order, and I'm going to cancel right here because I don't want that order, right? And then that order will be canceled. Now, nothing's happened on the exchange. It's only happened inside Pandora's wallet. So if I want to buy this, right, and you can see the price is moving around quite a bit. So let's just, I wanted to buy it right away. Let's just say I wanted to buy it right away. I can go 9,900. And I wanted to buy it at 9,000, let's say 9,000, it's bouncing around, so let's just go 15. And if the price drops to, let's see here, 9,009, oh, 910. So right now it's a 917, and so let's just hit exchange. And then if the price moves down, right, to the price that we want it at, right, and there we go, it should start executing the exchange once it realizes that the price is there. There you go. It executing the exchange. So what it's going to do is going to go to, it's going to send those 0.5 Bitcoins to the exchange. And you can see it's already done that. And then it's going to make the purchase and then return those coins to my my wallet once it's done. It will put the price at 11,915. So if the market goes higher than 11,915 sats, I will have to wait until it comes back down before I actually get a fill on that order. So once that's done, right? We're gonna have to wait a little while because obviously you gotta wait 3 blocks, and that takes a little bit of time for Bitcoin to confirm. But in the meantime, what we're going to do is show you an example of a coin that we've already purchased, Crown Coin, and we're gonna set the half on a double. So what you can do quickly once it's been withdrawn, right? You can see the withdrawn set there, right? You can right click it and hit sell half on a double. Another thing you could do is like sold half for 5. You can actually change your this description here so that you can actually see it a little bit better if you want to, and then hit exchange. So once you hit exchange, right, now this is say, hey, you know what? I'm not getting a lot of money for that. I'm not getting really exactly half because of the exchange value. You can always just increase it by a little bit and say, okay, well, if it gets up to 6, sell it for 10. If it gets up to let's see here, 1,070 sats and 1,060 sats, I'm going to sell it for 1,070 sats. Right, and so once the price moves up to that level, that's when it's going to sell. And so right now we're at 700 sats, so it's going to be waiting for that to occur. And there you have it, folks. You hit exchange, and that's it. Now you just leave the application running, and it will do its thing. Now, if you close the application, you will have to log in and select the exchange again. Select each exchange, enter your password the first time, and then leave it running. So that's a key thing you need to remember in order to have this thing automatically work. And yeah, and that's it. It will continue. It will do the little lady strategy for you, just like that. And that's what I love about it. And so yeah, there's still some refinements that need to be done. For example, notifying you when the order has been executed would be helpful. Also, notifying you that there was a problem with the exchange as well as would be helpful. So we're going to be working on those things in the coming months. So looking forward to all the improvements that will be coming down the pipe for Pandora's wallet. Also, we'll be refocusing on redoing the user interface, making it more modern, more like the web-based applications that you see around that are coming around, like such as Atomic Wallet and so forth. So looking forward to that. All right, well, that's it for today. I hope you learned something, learn how to use the product, and enjoy. Cheers.